In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this sorry too many attempts error while trying to log into your Telegram account on your phone. So if you are facing this problem, the first thing you need to do is simply long press on the Telegram app and then tap on this info icon right here. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option and then tap the clear data option. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and open the Telegram app one more time and see if it works now. So as you can see, it is now working for me and I can enter the verification code. Make sure to allow all the necessary permission to the Telegram app. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is head to the Google Play Store and search for a VPN app. Now here you can download any free VPN from this list. Once you have downloaded the VPN app, simply connect to any other server. Once you are connected, try opening the Telegram app again and then try signing into your account one more time. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply uninstall the Telegram app and then head to the Play Store and then search for Telegram X. This is basically the same app from the same developer. You simply need to install it and then try logging into your account one more time. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Snitch.